in previous training they might have the access to this, but those who are not, they are having access to Drake, because Drake is basically for I would say practice, and this is something where we actually file returns. So those who were with me in the boot camp last time, I have given them work, so and they are doing the work in using this my tax prep office. I think I have to start it again. Let me see if this works. Do we need to file two returns? Most of them. When Urvashi, when we have to file two returns for 1122?
Yes, sir. You have said the fiscal year. Do we
No,
need to file?
fiscal year.
There is fiscal year starting from June and ending in July, and 2023 season is on. So the form for 2024 are not open. So we need to file 2023, and some regulations are there for 2024. You have said now this.
No. You have to
So,
file only one 2023 return only in that case.
and what about that rule regulation you have said, sir?
So
For
whatever
2020.
regulations have been there, those you can follow and file the return. Whatever is there for 2024.
In 2024 returns, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So after logging into my tax, so this is a cloud-based software. This is how it will look like. Now, if you want to look into the recent returns, then you can simply click on these, whatever is created. Or if there is nothing on this list, you can find in return list there will be more returns. You may click here and get the more returns. Else, if you want to start a new return, then this is a button, new return. Click on the new return button, and uh, if it is a new, so here you can write. So we are following 1120. So first thing they'll ask for EIN. Let's say we take simple 32. What we have taken in this? Let's take this only 32 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Entity name we used fake company inc. Phone number is not mandatory. If the client is giving you the phone number, you can write it down, else you can skip it. Email and phone are not mandatory. So whatever is mandatory, it will show in red color. If it is not mandatory, then it will show in blue color, right? So once this is done, you can go to forms mode. Here on the right side we have forms mode. Click on forms mode. Now see, this all I have taught you, like 1120 C, H, L, POL, when to file what, when to use which kind of return, right? So here we will click on 1120, since it is normal 1120. If you want to file an extension, then you will go for 700 or click here and file extension. So extensions are generally filed if you think that you will not be able to prepare the return by the due date, then you will go for extension. Then date incorporated basic information, which was 04012023. So here the date is in the format of MMDDYY, right? Then principal business activity, so you can choose from here what kind of activity you are into, like your client is into. So mainly you will find tech based or online based or management based. So maybe other professional, scientific and technical, whatever. It depends client to client, right? So in this maybe you choose management scientific. So this business activity code number comes under whatever the category you are choosing, activity you are choosing, right? Now here fiscal year beginning and ending you will be writing only if it is different from calendar year. If it is calendar year you have to leave it blank, you don't have to worry about this, right? Now if you see this is showing red, hence this is something which needs to be there no matter what, right? In care of name, that also I have told you, like if it is if you want to send it to third party, then you may use in care of name, right? Then if it is a foreign address, if you are using an Indian address or any other address, then you may have to click here, and if you click here then red line will be in foreign address instead of US address accordingly, right? So here you will write normal the US address, Green City and 19901. Simple. You will just write zip code, city and state, it will take automatically. Now these any of the five you have, if you want to choose you can choose, right? Consolidated, life, non-life, whatever it is, and these initial return, address change, or whatever you want to choose, you can simply choose them right here, right? And then click on save. So if you see such information, all of these information needs to be in client information sheet only. On the left side if you see, these are the navigation, this is a navigation. So here if you click, this will give you client information. So if you want to change anything in 1120 related to these, like let's say the name, address or anything, it will not be changed from here but from client information. So whatever is in yellow color, it will be changed in somewhere else. Like for this, it will be changed in client information system, right? You cannot change here. And here you can manually write the total assets, or it will fetch from the schedule L accordingly, right? This income we will discuss in the next session, how these are filled and reported. So after this you can save it, and if you want you can print it. If you want to see how it is looking like, you simply print the form and it will look like this, same way. So name is there, EIN is there, address is there, date incorporated is there, address change we have marked, so this is there, initial return is there, and we have not marked any of these, so it is not there, right? Now you know that while changing the address you need to file form 8822. So you may add it from here. On the left side you may search for 8822 and simply click on this and fill this form. You need to fill this form accordingly. So old mailing address automatically taken, new mailing address it will be taken here, new business location and everything. Okay, so this is how my tax prep office works. Now if we go to Drake, now this is a desktop version, so desktop based software for which you may get the access through the online portal, and you may download it and practice in this if you want to. So here what you have to do, here simply open or create, click on open or create. Now here you will write SSN on the client section, so maybe 3 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and press enter. So they will prompt that it does not exist, would you like to create a new return, say yes, you want to create. Now what kind of return it is? It is a C corporation. Name of the C corporation, fake company INC. Okay. Now it will take time to come back. So here it's back. So this is how Drake software looks like. So EIN is your corporation's legal address. So DBA is nothing but if you have any other name for your company. Then in care of, as I told you, then address. So here you can write address 8 the green Suite D 19901 and automatically everything is filled. So zip code is main crux. With zip code every other thing is filled. Now here also if you see consolidated return, life or non-life, personal holding, initial return, change in address, whatever it is. So dashboard is different, but information will be same that needs to be filled here, right? If you see 851 PH 1120C 1120H, everything is there but in different context. Now here after adding this you just simply click on escape. It is automatically saved. You don't have to do anything else here, right? So after clicking escape, this will come. Now next session we will see how to add income deductions and all, right? So this is how it looks like in this desktop and cloud based. So you should know both, or in fact CCH access is also there which you should know. I'll check if I can quickly run through that as well. I'll just close this. Yeah. While it is getting login, so this in while it is getting login, so this is, so you can simply close using this. So it will get closed. Ask for the save return, simply save and close the return, and you're back to the dashboard.